BMS, just to get some terminology down, right? This is a high-level control system of your entire battery storage system, right? And sometimes even your entire microgrid. So we'll get into more details on that in just a second. But really, if you just think of it as sort of the operating system for your energy storage, that's a pretty good mental model, right? It'll do things like tell the batteries when to charge and discharge to get different benefits. One such benefit that's pretty easy to understand is time of use, right? If you are charged different amounts for using the energy at different times, let's say during the day is more expensive than at night, then a very simple setup for your battery storage system would just be to do exactly that. Use more energy at night, charge your batteries, and then use less energy during the day, discharge your batteries. Right? This is pretty easy to imagine, pretty easy to set up.